Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where camera is not working on Microsoft Edge in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, go to the privacy and security tab and scroll down to camera. Make sure that camera access is on and let apps access your camera is on. If you find Microsoft Edge in this list, then you can turn it on for that as well. After this, open Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings. Search for camera here and hit enter. Okay. Check if there are any websites that are not allowed to use your camera and the ones that are allowed to use the camera. Make sure that the correct camera is selected here, not the wrong camera, otherwise it won't work. And then you will get this option for camera in privacy and search security. There's an option here which says ask before accessing. This is the default setting. You can't give your camera default permission to turn on each and every time. So simply check this option. It will ask before using the camera, but it won't be off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.